Hey guys, you're looking at Safemore 3 AC outlet and a 2 USB port Powerstrip offered by GeekBay. It came with a very good packaging, nicely padded. On the back, you can able to see the specification about this Powerstrip. The very good thing is it's a combination of both power outlet as well as USB charging ports. It's a very good design, compact, and if you look at the quality of the cable and the Powerstrip, it's really very good. It's nice, like nicely built, and it's catchy in terms of design and color. You can see like three AC outlet ports will be like on the sides of that, and the fourth side you can able to see the dual USB charging ports, each with 2.1 amps and 1 amps output for the USB. That's the button you need to switch it on to enable like start charging the devices. I was able to quickly charge my iPad Air and Galaxy S6 phone. Look at this cable; it's nicely like built, and it's a very good thickness. And it also came with kind of an instruction manual that tells us like specification about this smart charging power strip. I'm really impressed with the quality and the way it is designed. You can easily like take it to your office, and you can keep it as a desk charger or a power outlet. Look at this, once you start charging you can able to see the indicator of LED that shows whether it's charging, and it clearly starts charging the Y Nexus 5 as well. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.